Okay, multiply two fractions. 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 5. How can you multiply it? First, we multiply up with up and down with down. Okay? 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, next one. 1 over 7 multiply 3 over 4 equal. We said before, we multiply up with up and down with down. 1 multiply 3 is 3, and 4 multiply 7 or 7 multiply 4 is 28. Okay, next one. 3 over 6 multiply 2 over 5. Okay, 2 multiply 3 is 6, and 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, sometimes he asked you to multiply and put the answer in the simplest form. Okay, this 2 and 15, any simplify? No, because 2 is 2 times 1 and 15 is 3 times 5, and no common number except 1. What about 3 and 28? No simplify. Why? Because 3 is 3 times 1 and 28 is 4 times 7 or 28 times 1. No common number except 1. What about 6 and 30? Okay, 6 we can write 6 is 6 times 1. And 30 we can write it 5 times 6. Okay, now we have common number 6. Then we can remove it. Then the remainder up is 1 and the remainder down is 5. Then the answer 6 over 30, when we simplify it, it becomes 1 over 5. Next one. 3 over 5 multiply 2 over 10 equal. First, 3 times 2 is 6 and 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, after we find the answer, simplify it. 6, we can write 6 like 2 times 3 or 6 times 1. 50, we can write it 2 times 25 or 5 times 10 or 50 times 1. Okay, any common number except 1. 6 up, no 6 down. 3 up, no 3 down. 2 up, 2 down. Yes, we can take 2 with 2 and remove it. Then the remainder up is what? 3. Remainder down is 25. More exercise. We can multiply 4 over 6 multiply 2 over 5 equal. 2 times 4 is 8 and 5 times 6 is 30, and we can simplify the answer. And we have another way. We can simplify before multiply. How? 4 we can write 4 like 2 times 2 or 4 times 1. 6 we can write it 2 times 3 or 6 times 1. 2 we can write it 2 times 1, and the 5 we can write it 5 times 1. Okay, and remove each 2 common number, any common number up with any common number down. Like what? 2 up, it's like 2 down. Then remove it. 2 up, any 2 down there? No. Any 2 down there? No. Then the remainder up is 2 and the remainder down is 3. Multiply, we Okay, if you remove 1 with 1, it's the same if you write 2 over 5, because the remainder up is 2 and the remainder down is 5. And multiply 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, next one. 10 over 15 multiply 14 over 24, or we can make it 28. Okay, if you multiply up with up and down with down, it will take a lot of time, but if you simplify first, it's easy to solve it. How? 10 we can write it like 2 times 5, and 15 we can write it 3 times 5. Okay, and the common number up with the and down is 5. Remove it. 14 we can write it 2 times 7, and the 28 we can write it 4 times 7. Then we can remove 7 with 7. Then the remainder up is 2 in first fraction, and the down is 3. Multiply. In next fraction we can write the remainder up is 2 and the remainder down is 4. Okay, and we can multiply, but any simplify or finished? No, we have simplify where we can write 2 and 4. We can write 2 like 2 times 1 and 4 like 2 times 2, and remove 2 is 2. Then the remainder up is 1 and down is 2. Then the answer would be 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 2. But we have 2 up and 2 down. We can remove it together also. Remove 2 is 2. Then the remainder up is 1 and the down is 3. Okay. More exercise. Okay, if we have 36 over 27 multiply 12 over 15. Okay. It's not easy if you multiply up with up and down with down. Then simplify first. How? 36 it's 4 multiply 9, or 6 times 6, or 36 times 1. 27 we can write it like 3 times 9 or 27 times 1. Okay, but we don't need time 27 times 1 and 36 times 1 because I need common number except 1. Okay, 12 is 3 times 4 and 2 times 6 and 12 times 1, but no 12 is there. 15 we can write it 3 times 5 or 15 times 1, no 15. Okay, any common number up with down. Okay, like we have 6 up. Okay, any 6 down there or there? No. What about 9? Yes, we have 9 up and 9 down, then remove it. What about 4? We have 4 up and no 4 down. What about 2? We have 2 up, no 2 down. What about 6? No 6 down. What about 3? Yes, we have 3 up and 3 down, and remove it. Then the remainder up in first fraction is 4 and the down is 3. Multiply. The remainder up is 4 and the down is 5. Okay. Any simplify or finished? No simplify, because 4 is 2 times 2 and 5 times 1, no common number, and 3 times 1, no common number, down with up. Okay, then multiply up with up and down with down. Now it's easy to multiply these two fractions, but these two fractions is more difficult. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16 and 3 times 5 is 50. Okay, another question. 21 over 10 multiply 30 over, make it 70. Okay, we can multiply up with up and down with down, but it will take some time, some more time, but I need it easy to calculate it. We can simplify first. 21 we can write it like 3 times 7, and 10 we can write it like 2 times 5, and 70 is 7 times 10, and or 2 times 35, but 10 times 7 it's better because we have 7 with 7, we'll remove it together. And 30 we can write it 3 times 10 or 2 times 15, but I don't need 15 there. Then remove, take 7 with 7, any number up with same number down. Okay, any number up with any number down, same with it. 7 up and 7 down in another fraction, it's correct. Remove 7 with 7. And up we have, okay, 10 up and 10 down, remove it. Now we have no, okay, no common number up with down also. Okay, now we have 3 up and 3 up and 2 and 5 down. Okay, 10. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9 and 10 down, and the new number there, it's down 10. Then the answer will be 9 over 10. Okay, the last one. If you have like 600 over 700, multiply 10 over, okay, 500. We can remove 0 with 0. 0 is 0, and another 0 is 0, and this 0 is 0, and the remainder is 6 there, and there the remainder is 1, then there is 7, then there is 50. Okay, multiply it. 6 times 1 is 6, and 7 times 50 we can put 7 times 0 is 0, and 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. Any common number there? Yes. How? 6 is 2 times 3, yes. And 350 is 7 times 50. But 50 we can expand it, because 50 we can write it 5 times 10 or 2 times 25. Okay, 5 times 10, no common number. But 2 times 25, we have common number is 2. Then I will write it. 50 is 2 times 25, and remove 2 with 2. Then the remainder up is 3, and the down is 7 multiply 25. The last step is multiply 7 multiply 25. 7 times 5 is 35, 5 and they carry up 3. 2 times 7 is 14, 14 and the 3 is 17. Then the answer will be 3 over 175.